Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how boring my background is. I moved into a new condo and there's nothing on the walls. There's nothing anywhere. So then I was pushed into a corner and I thought, you know what? This isn't gonna hold me down because listen, I can make this super entertaining, okay? So I'll figure out a way to make it entertaining. My grandfather was an alcoholic. I managed to throw up 9 times in 2 hours one time.
The fish really liked it.
I've been attacked by a bird. Actually got stuck in my hair. Maybe that wasn't the most entertaining thing in the world. I thought, wait a minute, I can make it visually stunning. You see this? My hair is being windblown. Okay, okay. Okay, so here's the letter Z. I got nothing. I interrupted this program for a super important, entertaining announcement. My classmate once fell in a manhole. I'm really trying at this point. You guys, I am. That's my graffiti Z. I hope you guys enjoyed this incredibly boring program. Man, I sounded super old. You know I have a couple of gray hairs. I don't know how this video turned into random things about me, but there you go. And yes, we did get our money back when I threw up 9 times in 2 hours. We were snorkeling and the seas were very rough. Hey Judge, what's up, bud? All right. So anyway, like, subscribe, comment, don't like, don't subscribe, don't comment. Be true to yourself. Peace.